Hi, I'm Dr. James from Chelmsford Dental, and today we're going to talk about dental crowns. A crown is a manufactured prosthetic tooth that fits over your existing tooth, protecting it much like a crash helmet. Crowns are typically made from ceramic or porcelain that is texture and colour matched to your tooth. Dental crowns are a good option to rebuild a tooth that is too damaged or broken down to be repaired by just a filling. Crowns can also be used to protect weak teeth from breaking and to also change the colour and the shape of the tooth, covering up a badly shaped tooth or covering up a discoloured tooth. In order to place a crown on your tooth, first any decay is removed and the tooth is repaired using filling material. This acts as the foundation for your new crown. The tooth is then reduced by 1 to 2 millimeters to allow space for your new crown to be placed over the top of it. A 3D scan of your tooth is then taken using our computer scanner, and this is sent to our laboratory where your new crown is made. A temporary crown is placed over your tooth for about 10 days while your permanent crown is manufactured. When you return, the temporary crown is easily removed and we cement your permanent crown into place. If you have any concerns or questions, please feel free to reach out to our friendly team and one of our reception staff will be more than happy to assist you.